So why use herbs when you're going on a food protocol? Like when you want to heal, you want to remove obstruction in your body. Obstruction is the cause of your issues, okay? Obstruction of blood flow, nerve flow, and lymph flow is the cause of your issues. To unblock it, you stop eating the foods that are causing this. This is the cooked foods, cooked starches, animal products. You stop that and go on fruits, 100% fruits, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Next, you want to take herbs to help those 5 systems work, okay? You need herbs for the lymphatic system, herbs for the endocrine system, herbs for the lymph system, herbs for the stomach and bowels as well, okay? These are crucial because every single system and organ is connected to the stomach and bowels. The GI tract connects all organs. If it's not working properly, you can't heal. The lymphatic system is what removes the acid. If it's not working properly, you can't heal. The kidneys is what filters out those acids out to the body. If it's down, you can't heal. Okay, the endocrine system is the master computer, controls all the hormones in the body. If it's down, you can't heal. So all these systems are crucial, and that's why I recommend you get a product like this, because it contains all the herbs you want, all in one bottle. All you have to do is take three dropperfuls every day. And with the food protocol, the 100% fruits, you'll be doing all you can to heal. It's that simple, folks. This is not magical. It just accentuates the healing. It helps the healing. You heal faster, and it puts you on a commitment, okay? When you're taking this, you're paying for this, you're going to be committed, and you're going to be doing all you can to heal with the fruits and the herbs. That's simple, folks. So let's get started.